Right, this is tutorial 2. You've logged in and now you're going to want to create a post. In order to do that, you need to go to members, which you remember from the first tutorial on the main menu. Go to the submenu, submit articles, and click on there. And there you have the text editor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 quick rounds of just putting your text in so you can see how simple it is. Then I'll explain it and the reasons why you need to do it. So this is my Word document. I've written it all up ahead of time. You can write it in the text editor itself if you want. I tend not to do that. And then I'm going to add it in. See how fast and easy that is? Then I'll also do my second step. Now that's from Word. I'm going to show from Notepad or TextEdit. Oops, I didn't do that right. That's what you're not supposed to do. This is what you're supposed to do. There you go. It's in. Simple, easy. Nothing to be worried about. Now I'm going to explain it. Because Microsoft Word and other word processors put styling and makes and other code and things into your text, it will screw up your post and make it look all funny when you publish. So in order to avoid that, what I do is, you see I have a low battery. You see that I've highlighted and I'm copying the text from my Word document. The first icon at the top says paste from Word. When you leave your cursor over it, you can see what the icon is in case you want to explore and see what some of the others are about. I hit it, a window opens up, and that's where I paste my copy. There it is. The next step, make this your friend, is remove formatting. It's 3 icons in from the top on the left-hand side. Just click it. It gets rid of anything that's kind of funny. And put your, my titles in there, so have a title. And there you go. You do the same thing for Notepad, just a different icon. I'm copying it. And I'm going to the second icon in. When you leave your cursor again, it tells you it's paste as plain text. Plain text means there's no formatting in it. As you can see, formatting's out. That means you have to either fix it in here or fix it in the editor, putting in where you want your line breaks. I'm just going to make this fast so you can see. The next thing is you will want to, if like the original here has bold, so highlight what you want bold. It's like word processing. You can do a shortcut, which is Command B on an Apple or Control B on a PC. You'll get that. The italics. See, and you can see the shortcut. That's what that means. That's a shortcut. It's telling you how you can do that quicker when you leave your cursor over and it tells you what it is, underline, and those things. So that's how you put text into your editor. The next thing you need to do is you need to have a line break. It's very easy to do. The problem is, and I'm going to just quickly add in the Word document because I want to show that it has all the styling in. You don't want to have a whole bunch of text. People like small chunks of information visually on the internet. Remember, it's about a 10-second attention span. So an assessment is made right away and you don't want it to be, no, I don't want to read this because it's too many words. One thing to avoid that is a read break. And that breaks up your page and says read more, and then you can hit it and continue on to read the whole post. And that is the icon in the center row. Second in from the right, as again, cursor over it, it tells you insert read more. And there it is. And you'll see later on when we actually publish it how that's going to look.